Hello and welcome to Prime Strings. My name is Henriette and today I'm playing Alla Marcia for you from the Shooting Stars book. Alla Marcia is in the key of F major, so let's play an F major scale before we start the tune. We're playing every note twice with long bows and I want you to check over your bow hold. So let's make sure your thumb is bent underneath and your little finger is also nice and round and on the side edge there. F major, here we go, and so here is Alla Marcia. I'll count us in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's practice a couple of tricky bits in this Alla Marcia piece, and I'm going to start on bar 13. And in bar 13 we've got the B natural, which is where you don't play the B flat as you play in other bars, but your B, your first finger on A, comes up a little bit. So let's play bar 13, 3, 4. Let's do that again, and one more time, and we'll play the whole line because the B natural comes again. 1 and now let's practice one other bit. And that is bar 10, and bar 10 is on the D string where you play 2-4, 2-4, this bit. In order to play that well, you need to make sure that your thumb is loose here at this side, so it's not squeezing the neck of the violin there. So make sure your thumb is nice and soft when you play that. So we're playing bar 10 next. 1 and soften up your thumb like that, and then we'll do it again and that's better. And we'll do it again. Make your thumb nice and soft. So wriggle it about so that you can get some feeling in that thumb. And here we go, bar 10 again. And great, well done. Next we're going to play Alla Marcia again. This time a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done, and thank you for watching.